Welcome, tire enthusiasts, on another episode of the Tyre Show. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world where rubber meets the road, literally. Have you ever considered the profound impact your tires have on your car's fuel efficiency? Stick around as we unveil the often overlooked secrets of tire technology and how it influences your wallet and the environment. Picture this: you're cruising down the highway, wind in your hair, and fuel gauge barely budging. What's the secret behind this magic? It all starts with your tires. Fuel economy isn't just about engine tweaks or weight reductions, it's a symphony orchestrated by every component of your vehicle. And today, we're shining a spotlight on the unsung hero, your tires. Now, let's peel back the layers and explore the intricate relationship between tires and fuel efficiency. Imagine your tires as the lone ambassadors between your car and the asphalt jungle. Their design, material, and upkeep dictate how smoothly your car glides and how much fuel it guzzles. You see, it's not just about grip and tread, it's about optimizing the transfer of power from engine to road. When your tires are subpar, your engine goes into overdrive, burning through fuel like there's no tomorrow. But fear not, fellow gearheads. Tire manufacturers are on a mission to revolutionize the rubber game. They've unleashed a new breed of tires, ones that slice through the air with the grace of a Formula One car, reducing what's known as rolling resistance. Rolling resistance might sound like a term plucked from a physics textbook, but its implications are far-reaching. It's the unseen force that saps your car's energy as it rolls down the road, a silent saboteur of fuel efficiency. With each advancement in tire technology, we edge closer to a greener tomorrow. Energy-efficient tires aren't just a fancy accessory, they're a lifeline for our planet and our pockets. Now, let's shift gears and explore the intricate dance between tire tread patterns and fuel consumption. Tread patterns aren't just a fashion statement, they're a meticulously crafted masterpiece designed to balance grip and efficiency. From highways to off-road escapades, each tread pattern tells a story of optimization and innovation. Ever wondered why your sleek highway tires sip fuel like fine wine while their off-road cousins guzzle it like there's no tomorrow? It all comes down to rolling resistance and the subtle art of tread design. But wait, there's more. The saga doesn't end with tread patterns, oh no, we're just scratching the surface. Let's talk tire pressure, a small detail with colossal implications. Underinflated tires are the silent assassins of fuel efficiency, robbing your car of precious miles with every turn of the wheel. But fear not, fellow road warriors. By simply keeping your tires properly inflated, you can embark on a journey of fuel savings and environmental stewardship. Now, let's take a dive into the real-world impact of tire choices. From low rolling resistance wonders to all-terrain behemoths, the options are endless, each with its own tale of fuel economy prowess. So, what's the moral of this tire tale? Choose wisely, my friends. Your tires aren't just round pieces of rubber, they're the unsung heroes of fuel efficiency, silently steering you towards a greener, more sustainable future. That's a wrap for today, folks. Until next time, keep those tires inflated, your engines humming, and your hearts racing. This is Mark, signing off from the Asphalt Kingdom.